Welcome to Millbrook Maxus. Here we have a Ford Transit Custom L1H1. This has got air conditioning, Euro 6 engine, so ULEZ compliant. Just taking you around the offside here. Immaculate bodywork, really nice. Around the back here, got barn doors. All really nice supply line at the back. This is where it's just been cleaned. And down the near side, again, lovely bodywork. We've got our side loading door. And the cab. 3 seats in the front, all really nice condition. Armrest. The stereo with Bluetooth, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, multifunctional steering wheel, answer your Bluetooth phone from there, 32,000 miles, and electric windows. Thank you for watching. For any inquiries, please do give us a call.